Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question where we need to find the value of x. It is given x raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2048. Now our motive is to bring this term 2 raised to power 2048 in form of x raised to power x, same raised to power same. Now what can we do? Can we break it like this? We can write 2048 is equal to 2 multiply 1024, and then x raised to power x can be written as, we can write it as 4 raised to power this. Okay, and after this we will break the power again. We get 2 multiply 512. 1024 is equal to 2 multiply 512. We get x raised to power x is equal to 16 raised to power 512. Now we can break the power again to bring it in the form of x raised to power x. We get 256 multiply 2, and then 16 square is equal to 256 power 256. This implies x raised to power x is equal to 256 raised to power 256, which implies x is equal to 256. So this is the way to solve these type of questions, because x raised to power mn is equal to x raised to power m raised to power n. So we can solve it like this. This was mn and we wrote it like 2 square raised to power 1024. This is how we use the concept and solve this question. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and please visit my channel for these type of videos. Thank you so much.